Hey guys, let's quickly look at the NASDAQ 100 forecast. Make sure that you understand risk management at least. Always use a stop loss whenever you trade. Starting from the daily chart, it is looking good. Let's get this video to 500 likes, guys. That will be super dope. Remember, at the beginning of this month, we were forecasting that NAS will reach 15,000, and finally, it have actually reached that particular level and broke above it. It is now on top, and we could see it coming back to 15,000. Okay, that is a possibility. However, why did we pull out the daily chart? To establish where buyers are. And look, these buyers that broke out of 15,000 came from this portion, this dynamic area. That is what we're looking for to buy from during the week with a pending order, and some of the people were able to catch that nicely, because we are in an uptrend, of course, but we need to buy whenever there's a correction. So that was a daily correction, nothing much. There's a lot of people who actually made money with that. I saw a whole bunch of screenshots coming from you guys. Let me know where you're watching this video from. That will be super cool. Let me know in the comment section down here where you're watching this video from. If we quickly maybe go a time frame lower here on H4. Unfortunately, we don't have that dynamic structure, because the green one that we have here, it was broken. That green belt was broken. But we could see price coming all the way back to this dotted rectangle right here. We could see this becoming a bullish structure somewhere, or we could see a green belt forming during the week. That is a possibility. We could see price dropping down all the way to that, or a little bit down. Let me show you how I get those levels. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna identify, let me erase that, this particular portion right here, this is my impulsive wave. So let me write that down, impulsive wave right here. So that is my impulsive wave. So what's missing? It's a correction, which is that those red candles that came down. So this will be our correction. But how far is it most likely to correct to? Of course, we could see it corrective. We could see it hitting at the 38.6. We could see it hitting the 50 level. Okay, these are your fibs. These are your fib levels. Okay, or it could even go a little bit low. Okay, so we could see a much deeper correction or much deeper retracement like this. Let me see if I can dot it nicely and slow down to this point. So what are these levels that I'm showing you? This could be the 61.8 or 70.7 level. Okay, so these are possible levels where buyers, H4 buyers to be precise, where they could wait for opportunities to buy, or where we could see a structure sort of forming and buying all the way back up to create a new impulsive wave. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? If it does, let's quickly look at the H1. If you look at the H1 nicely, it does have the dynamic structure. You can see that green belt. Okay, let me mark it. If you are new, you have never seen me using this. This is the green belt that I'm referring to. This is exactly where these buyers are gonna be waiting. The buyers are gonna be here, and we're trying to follow the trend to the upside. That's all we're trying to do, to follow the trend. Okay, so the buyers are here. Okay, where the belt is. So what do we need? We need price to come back to this level. Okay, so price will actually drop. I'm not saying it's gonna instantly drop from there, but that's what we would like to see, so that we can come back to the structure where we can buy all the way back to the upside. That is technically how you follow the trend. Okay, you want to buy after the corrections. You wait for corrections and then you buy. Okay, is that difficult? Let me know. Is that difficult? I don't think it is. If we come down here to M30, this is gonna be the last time frame that we look at. The green belt, again, it is there, but let's see something. This green belt is much longer, because price have been hitting. Yeah, it did more. It moved there and moved again. Okay, and the last time it moved, it was here on this particular one. You see, this is where the last buyers came from. So whenever it comes to the green belt, it pushes away. So think of this as some sort of repulsive forces. Okay, did I just say repulsive? I don't even know what repulsive is. Maybe they have to do with repelling. Those who did English, I agree. Let me know in the comment section. So same thing, would like to see that correction back to this particular shandies. Okay, I don't know why I pushed the screen to the left. Yes, it's more. Okay, all right, okay. Maybe I'm done. I'm done with this video. Let me know if you like this video. Yes, easy stuff. Entries are gonna come from this particular levels. If you're a buyer, if you're a seller, that will be a different story. Let me know. Let's get this video to 500 likes. Share it with your friends as well. Otherwise, sharp.